I have a problem. I'm trying to get my phone to stand at a very specific angle, but if I try and put it up here, A, it's too high and it slides right off, and then lays down, it's too flat. Well, I could just go download the perfect case online, right? There's plenty of places to check. But when I went scouring around for some that fit my specific phone, they were just cases or the holders weren't at the right angle. I even tried opening up SolidWorks, and that wasn't working for me at work at the moment because they didn't have enough licenses available. So luckily, I had fixturemate I could use that was in GrabCAD Print Pro. So once I open up fixturemate, I'm just going to go ahead and import my case I have so I don't have to take the phone out. We're going to rotate it to the angle we need, space it up off the ground a little, then I can go ahead and build up my base. We have a couple of different base options to choose from conical and rectangle to segmented ones for an assembly table. I'm just going to do a conical one here that'll adjust in size as we change parts on it automatically. Then we'll go in and add our support structure to actually make the fixture to hold this down. I'm going to start with a custom one where I'm going to go around, leave a gap for where I might be able to plug my power cable in if I need it, and complete that, and then it just creates it really quick. And then for the next one, I'll grab just a quick rectangular one, put that up higher, just under where the cameras would be, and drag that out from the center. I can even adjust how high the support is just by clicking and dragging. Now we can add fillets to the base of these supports really easily to add strength, but in this case, it just makes it look a lot nicer. We'll do that to both parts. And then we can move on to subtracting the workpiece out. You might notice that all supports are just going up and clipping through the part. We subtract out the workpiece, default offset settings, and we make this really nice, perfect custom fit fixture. From here, we can adjust the angle that we're pulling away and doing that cut. I'm going to change it down to the same angle as I have the phone at, so that way everything fits really nicely together. From here, if we wanted to, we could add custom clamps in here. You see there's a whole library of them. I'm not going to be doing any drilling or anything on this phone, so I'm not going to put any of those on. Then we can add labels into our part if we want to label it. I'm just going to put my phone here just so I know that it's my phone. If we wanted to add any holes or cutouts, we can do that. We're going to skip that step also. And that will save some material. You can see that this is a very solid part, so I'm just going to tell it to honeycomb and hollow it out. I just use the default settings, and it works out perfectly for running on an FDM machine. Here we can see it sent over to the GrabCAD print software. Let's go ahead and slice it up real quick, see how it looks, send it to the printer. Then once it's done, we can check it in the morning. Print finished. Let's go ahead and pop it off and see how it looks. Nice and smooth. Got the big fillet, very stable, lightweight. Main test, let's see how well it holds my phone. Pops on, really nice friction fit. You can even pick it up by the phone just on its own perfect fit. No CAD needed.